we're doing marshmallows.
What do you think's gonna happen?
And I think they're gonna expand and pop. I'm guessing expanding is correct. I wonder if it's going to pop.
Oh, is that marshmallow?
Yeah.
Are they normal size?
Yes, they're normal size.
They were.
Wow.
It didn't pop though. So if that happened, what do you think's gonna happen?
And we put this in it.
Careful, that's hot for a minute. Go ahead and just drop it out. So we put a hole in the top so it has a spot to relieve the pressure. Fix the tray so it can turn. Let's give it a minute before you open the door. Just in case that's under too much pressure. Is that what you expected?
Not really. So, can I open it now?
Go ahead.
Wow. Let's go and clean it. It's
That
like
would-
shaving cream.
Should taste it. It'll be kind of hot though.
Put your hand by it and see if it's fun.
It's pretty good.
There's sugar. You're